Hey everyone, today's tutorial is just going to be on this purple smoky eye look. It's quite easy to create actually, and I only used about like 3 eyeshadows. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, as per usual, I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid, and then I applied a little bit underneath my eye as well. This is just going to make the eyeshadows more pigmented and just cancel out any discoloration on my eyelid. I then went in with this medium tone purple. I just applied it on my actual eyelid and kind of just stopped at the crease. I then blended it out with my blending brush. I then went in with the same eyeshadow and I just popped that underneath my eye. I used like a really small blending brush as well just to blend it out so there's no harsh lines. Using a bigger blending brush again, I'm just going to go around the edges of all the purple to make sure it's nice and blended. I'm then going in with some black liquid liner and I'm just applying a thin line along my lash line. I'm using a small brush and the Essence black liquid liner because it's probably my fave. Oh my god, who even says that? And it's super cheap as well, so definitely recommend. I'm then going in with a small blending brush and some black and dark purple eyeshadow. I'm just blending out the outer corner of the eyeliner and then taking those darker colours right in my crease to the inner part of my eyelid. I then put on some mascara and I also put on some fake eyelashes because my eyelashes are like little stubs without fake eyelashes, so fake eyelashes really add to the look. These ones are just from Primark actually. I will leave the name of them below. But yeah, the concealer I'm using is just the MAC one and I'm just applying that underneath my eyes. I then went in with a cream Kohl pencil, so this just opens your eyes up more. So I'm just applying some mascara to my bottom eyelashes, then I apply a highlighter to the inner corners of my eyes, so this just brightens and opens up the eyes. I love inner tear duct highlight, I really think it makes a difference and just finishes off the look. Then I just went on and finished my skin, so I actually did a bit of contouring today. Usually I don't go this extreme with contouring, but I decided to do some cream contouring. So I used my MAC foundation palette for this. Basically, I just like shaded the parts of my face that I wanted to be like more defined. So like my temples, the top of my forehead, I have quite a big forehead, so I kind of wanted to shade the top of that. Then underneath my cheekbones, and I did a bit of contouring on my nose, which I never really do, but I thought I'd do it for the purpose of the video. Okay, so I'm just making sure that it's all blended out because I do not want to look like I just have face paint on my face. It is not Halloween yet. But yeah, for my nose I just use a smaller brush and then I pop a little bit highlighter down the center of my nose just so it makes my nose look a little bit thinner. But as I said, I never really do this. I'm just doing it kind of for the purpose of the video. I then set my face with MAC Studio Fix powder just to give it a bit of extra coverage, and then I'm just going in with I forget the name of this, but I'll leave it listed below. But it's just like from like Superdrug or something. It's a really nice contour shade. It's like cool tone, but it's not cool tone where you look like you're a corpse. I applied some blusher to my cheeks and some highlighter to the tops of my cheekbones, a little bit of my forehead, a little bit of my chin, some down the center of my nose. This is the finished look. It's a matte purple smoky eye. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!